If you are just starting learning Swahili or you are planning to start learning Swahili, then you are on the right page. My name is Abdul Karim and welcome to Kiswahili with Abdul Karim. In this lesson, you will learn the Swahili alphabets and their pronunciations. Let's get started. The first thing we learn is the Swahili five vowel sounds. Vowel. We start with a, as in a in the word father. A sounds like eh in the word bed. E sounds like e in the word see. O sounds like o in the word go. U sounds like u in the word food. A, e, e, o, u. Again, a, e, e, o, u. Now that you've learned the Swahili vowel sounds, we'll go ahead and learn the entire Swahili alphabet. It is important to note that the letters Q and X are not in Swahili. Even the letter C is not there in Swahili. Let's see the Swahili alphabet. A, A, Ba, Ba, Cha, Cha, Da, Da, E, E, Fa, Fa, G, G, Ha, Ha, I, I, Ja, Ja, Ka, Ka, La, La, Ma, Ma, Na, Na, O, O, Pa, Pa, Ra, Ra, Sa, Sa, Ta, Ta, U, U, Va, Va, Wa, Wa, Ya, Ya, Za, Za. As you can notice that instead of the letter C, we have CH and it's pronounced as cha, cha. All right. These are the Swahili alphabets and their pronunciation. Let's see how each letter is pronounced, starting from A. A is pronounced as A. The next letter is Ba, pronounced as B, 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 B. Next, Ch, Ch, Ch. Next, D, D, D. Next, A, A, A. Next, F, F, F. Next, G, G, G. Next, next, E, E. Next, J, J, J. Next, K, K, K. Next, L, L, L. Next, M, M, M. Next, N, N, N. Next, O, O. Next, next, R, R, R. Next, S, S. Next, T, T, T. Next, O, O, O. Next, V, V. Next, W, W. Next, Y, Y. Next, Z, Z. Apart from these alphabets that are outlined here, we also have other combinations such as the, the. This is a combination of DH, the. Also, we have combination of T and H, and it is ta, ta, ta. We have combination of N and Y, and it is nya, nya. We have combination of S and H, it is sha, sha, sha. We also have combination of N and G, and this is nga, nga. Also combination of NG and an apostrophe up, and this is read as nga, nga, nga. Let's see simple syllables, how to read these syllables. In Swahili, syllables are very simple and open. consonant and a vowel. Ba, this is b and a. We say ba. Next, be. Next, b. Again, ba, be, b. Bo, boo. Bo, boo. Ma, me, mi, mo. Ma, me, mi, mo. Key consonants. You need to remember these consonants. G, always a hard G as in the word go. R is rolled like in Spanish. Ch as in the word chair. The as in the word they. Talking about stress in Swahili words, the stress is almost always falls on the second to last syllable. The word habari, we stress the syllable ba. Habari, habari. Asante, asante. Karibu, karibu. Try to read these words with me. Habari, habari. Asante, asante. Karibu, karibu. Let's read more words. Mama, mama. Baba, baba. Jambo, jambo. Kitabu, kitabu. Common word practice. Asante, asante. Thank you. Tafadhali, tafadhali. Please. Ndio, ndio. Yes. Hapana, hapana. No. Remember where we put the stress. It's now practice time. Write your answer in the comment section. Number 1. The vowel E in Swahili sounds like dash in English. The vowel E in Swahili sounds like dash in English. 2. Where is the stress in the word rafiki, friend? Where is the stress in the word rafiki, friend? You've got the basics. Now you are ready for Unit 2, where we will learn about Swahili greetings. But for you to be updated about this lesson, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kiswahili with Abdul Karim. Follow my Instagram, Kiswahili with Abdul Karim. And if you'd like personalized lesson, private lessons, this is my contact, +254 701 216 458. This is my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Kwaheri.